Hi, this is Tutor P, and this is Idioms 330. The idiom today is to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Okay, we have see in parentheses because sometimes see could be taken out, and sometimes you could just say the light at the end of the tunnel as well. Okay, let's take a look at the note here. This idiom basically means that there may be a solution or an end to a problem in the distant or possibly foreseeable future. Just like a long tunnel. You know, you can kind of see it. It's kind of coming. It's not really close, but you're getting there. You can see maybe where there might be an end coming at some point in the future. Thus, success could be coming after a lot of effort. So that's usually what it is in reference to. Maybe we can finally see the light at the end of the tunnel. Okay, let's continue. The earliest citation of this phrase comes from novelist George Eliot in a letter to his wife, Catherine Mansfield. However, this idiom became much more popularized after President John F. Kennedy used it in a 1962 press conference on the topic of the Vietnam War. So really, to be honest with you, even though maybe George Eliot might have used it first, it would never would have become as big and as popular if John F. Kennedy didn't use it. Because that's when it really took off, and that's when people started using it a lot more. Okay, anyway, let's continue. We actually have 3 examples of the way we hear it today, and it's a pretty common one. We hear this idiom, it does come up a lot. So here's the first one. Again, it could relate to what's happening today. If the malaria drug, hydroxychloroquine, taken with an antibiotic turns out to be a real cure for the coronavirus, we may be able to, finally see the light at the end of the tunnel when the economy could maybe, return back to normal or become normal again, or at least the end of the coronavirus, put it that way, crisis. All right, number 2 here. All right, after paying off most of my credit card debt for 2 years, I may finally see the light at the end of the tunnel. I only have 2 payments to go. So again, it usually implies that you've been working on this for a long time. You've already put a lot of effort into it, and then finally you can see where maybe the end or the solution is not that far away anymore. Okay, good. And number 3 here. All right, here's one where we might use it kind of the opposite way. I think we have a long way to go to solve this problem. The light at the end of the tunnel is nowhere in sight, meaning that, I don't even see a light at the end of the tunnel. This could go on and on and on for quite some time. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.